The question here is transitioning to UX design. So how can someone transition from a different career to UX design? Taking the time to figure out why it is that you're leaving is important. If you're in a career where you were running around, you had to drive from A to B, let's say you did more things that were not so computer involved, you didn't sit down a lot. I think transitioning into a UX career might be somewhat difficult because you have to stay put for a long period of time, and you have to digest a lot of information. You have to navigate in your mind how to assess that information and then separate it and figure out ways to digest it properly to understand the problem. And you can't be quick to jump to solutions. If you're someone that feels like they need to get work done immediately and create solutions immediately, and I don't mean like, obviously we all want to do that in our careers, but what I'm talking about is if you need to feel that quick satisfaction in the involvement of your work, then UX design might not be the career for you. So in order to transition into UX design, you're learning something that has a very wide spectrum of knowledge aspects. So a user experience designer not only needs to learn different software or different design principles, they need to understand a little bit of psychology, a little bit of marketing, a little bit of business entrepreneurship. They need to kind of have a good understanding of all things pertaining to why people buy products and what creates value in the market. I think for anyone who is interested in those types of things, user experience design will grow organically.